see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. As you guys just saw in the thumbnail, I have a ton of packages to unbox for you guys, and if this video hits 200 likes or over, I will do a part 2 to this pickup haul. There's a bunch of stuff that I have in this video and a bunch of items that I have coming in as well. If you guys would like to see that, slap a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So for this unboxing, we got the spring tees, we got some Jordans, we got some Gucci, we got a bunch of Supreme, but right here we do have the little dino tee. I'm gonna pop this out because this is actually for the personal, so I honestly don't even mind. This tee right here is fire. You got the little dino design on the front right there. I love the little price tag with the Supreme on it. This low-key reminds me of the dinosaur ride that they be having outside of supermarkets. Homie got the S logo on his head. This is the black colorway, size XL, which is for the body. Honestly, on T Week, I copped a bunch of XLs. I honestly even missed some packages in the thumbnail, but it's okay. Right here, we have another tee, which is fire as well. This is the Morph tee, if I'm not mistaken. This is another one that I might end up keeping for the personal. This one actually has a store tag, which is nuts to me. The fact that coronavirus is out here handing out these store tags. This tee looked dookie in the tie-dye color, but it definitely looks fire in this color right here. It has that Supreme on the front. It's like a smoky type spell out on the front of it. Definitely fire in my opinion. It's a sleeper piece. And then you have all these logos on the back. It's kind of like stamps and they're like tigers in a way. It's pretty cool, I guess. I kind of do like this piece. This is actually going to be in the upcoming giveaway, which you guys are going to want to be tuned in for because there's a lot of bangers on there. But shout out to this Morph tee right here. Fire piece in my opinion. Definitely a great addition to the collection. In that first package, which I'm basically opening for you guys, we did have this sailboat tee as well, which is pretty fire. This is another one that's probably going to end up in the personal. I feel like in navy it looks pretty cool. I'm not going to lie, bro. I feel like this is one of the pieces, since it has a lot of blues on it. It looks pretty good in that navy colorway with that Supreme box logo right on the top looking ass. You got the UFOs, the little sailboat, and if you guys could look really closely, you can tell that this is eyes, this is a nose, and this is a mouth. It kind of looks like a face in my opinion. I don't know if that was intentional, but it does look pretty fire. I do love the colorways on this piece, and I definitely will be wearing this one right here. Fire tee for the collection. Next up, we got this package right here, which I believe has some stickers in it. We got this My Bloody Valentine sticker right here. We got another one, which is a My Bloody Valentine as well. Then we got the regular box logo. I love when they give stickers, honestly, because it's a little addition to what you just purchased. But we do have 2 more tees in this package right here. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these open for you guys. This one is the Everything Is Shit tee. Definitely a fire one in my opinion. I feel like all these tees this time were actually pretty cool. This one I didn't like in any of the other colorways, but this color definitely caught my attention. I'm a huge fan of it. It has that Supreme right there. Honestly, I'm not trying to unfold these, but it looks clean. You can tell. Supreme right on the front with Everything Is Shit right under it. This is low-key like a blue flame looking ass. It's pretty cool. I feel like this is one that I might end up keeping because it probably doesn't have that much resale. When it comes to these Supreme tees, I typically just hold them because you don't know what they're gonna do in the future. I have like 20 dead stock Supreme tees. This is an okay piece. This is one of the ones that I didn't really care if I didn't get, if that makes sense, but it does look nice in person, and I don't have much Supreme tees in red. Next up, we have this Supreme Time tee right here. Pop this open for you guys real quick. Fire color. I love the way that the graphic pops on this gray color. Definitely a fan of it. It just looks like an artwork, and it has Supreme real subtle with the time right under it. Definitely a fire piece. I just feel like this tee drop was pretty hard. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This tee drop was definitely a vibe, and I'm a fan of this tee as well. In this one, we actually have a sticker pack. We have the regular box logo. That's nothing. Then we have these 2 stickers right here. One of them being this 3D logo right here. Definitely a fire sticker. I'm a huge fan of this design. I just love how they executed it, honestly. And next up, we have this Supreme Everything Is Shit sticker. This is another one that looks really good as a sticker as well. Probably 2 of my favorite shirts. Let's start off with this 3D looking ass design. I feel like this one's gonna have some type of resale in the future, hands down, bro. This is the Chrome logo tee. I'm gonna pop this one officially open for you guys as I love the way this design looks. I feel like this is one that I'll probably end up keeping in the personal. I just love the way the design looks on the shirt. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably probably one that's gonna end up going up in the future, and honestly I'll be here for it. But if I do have an outfit that looks clean with this, I'll probably end up wearing it. This is a clean tee though, and some of these are gonna end up going up in resale. I just have the great feeling on it. I feel like this one would be one of them. The sailboat one would end up going up. This next tee right here is probably my favorite from the tee drop. This one is the Cash Money looking ass dragon tee. This shit is hard, bro. I love this design right here. This is definitely like a 2000s shirt. I love the way that it just pops on it, bro. You got that Supreme on the front, you got the dragon, you got money rims, a bunch of shit on here. Definitely reminds me of like those vintage bling bling looking ass shirts. Super clean in my opinion. One that I will keep in the personal. I don't care if resale goes up on this one. This is definitely gonna stay around until I don't even know when. This is a fire ass shirt, and I will be keeping this one right here. This is the dragon tee, once again in the black colorway. I went for a lot of black tees this time around. I bought every single shirt, honestly. The last batch of tees that they dropped was actually pretty fire, so I'm glad that I ended up picking them up. Now this right here is a more recent pickup. This one also does come with some stickers. We got 2 red box logos, and we do have this package right here. If you guys bought this, you already know what it is. It comes like in this little box. It says Supreme on the box right there. Fire. I am a fan of this packaging. It looks really clean, and inside we do have the ashtray. I love the way that this looks. I honestly wish I would have got the red one, but this one is equally as cool. Honestly, I still like the red more, but I like the way that the sup is just implemented on the inside right there. It's real subtle. This is something that if you put it on like a black table or like something with color under it, you definitely will be able to see it, so I don't have an issue with it. These are all pieces that I'll honestly just hold for the future. The sizing isn't too big. As you can see my hand right here, this is the size of it pretty much. It's not humongous, but it's also not that puny. I feel like it's a decent size, honestly. It's not the biggest shit in the world, but it's not the smallest. I can definitely maneuver with it. But I do want to say that this video is sponsored by Addict.io. If you guys know, I have been working with Addict in the past, and they actually are restocking on their bot tomorrow, which is Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. If you guys are interested, make sure you click the link at the top of the description so you can go ahead and join their newsletter so you're notified when they do restock on the bot. This is an easy way to go ahead and buy Supreme weekly. They cooked up on chairs like crazy. They definitely do end up cooking up every single week. Back to our regular schedule program. Here we have another package, which is the pair of cinch pants that I got. They hold me, but we did not get no stickers. It's okay. Oh, spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. 2 more of the same stickers, another one of the same sticker, and we do have these cinch pants. I feel like this is a lightweight pant. This is my first pair of long pants from Supreme. I feel like it's a light quality, so I probably can wear these like when it's hot outside. It's something that's not gonna have you baking out here in the summer. Definitely a clean piece that I will be wearing. My favorite part about these pants is definitely the little cinch at the bottom right here. I love the fact that they have this little toggle, because some pants, when you wear it, it doesn't look good. So the fact that you could tighten it to whatever size the sneaker is, it definitely is a vibe. These pants are a must, and I feel like it's a perfect pair of first Supreme pants to have in the collection. I love the fact that these pants do have the branding right here so you can see it. It has a little tab right there on the back pocket, but that's pretty much it for these pants. These are definitely fire. They're actually big as shit. Right here we got a pair of sneakers that actually came in like a couple weeks ago, almost like a month ago at this point. I bought these shits and I never even made a live cop. I think I recorded it, but I never posted it. And there we do have a pair of Court Purple Jordan 1s. I did have to buy these twice because the first pair that I bought was a 10.5, and normally 10.5 creases on me, so I like going for the smaller size. You got that plush leather right on the front, definitely clean. These do have like a different color purple laces. These almost look tie-dye, but they're not. 2 things about Jordan 1s is the fact that they did raise the price from $160 to $170. I respect the hustle, bro, but don't do us like that. We do have the new leather tab on the front right there as well. They did change that, and then on some of them they do like a leather patch right here, which I'm not a fan of. I could deal with this, but the leather patch right here, that's kind of a dub. The leather on this pair of Jordan 1s is a little bit stiff besides the toe box. The toe box is actually pretty good. These are like the first Court Purples they dropped, but it's just like in the Chicago type color. Definitely a fire sneaker in my opinion. I'm a huge fan, and these will be staying in the collection, period, bro. I love these Jordan 1s. I probably will be keeping the black laces on it. I feel like the purple does a little bit too much. That is the 10.5, and then we do have mine, which is this size 10. Honestly, I bought 2 of them because I just wanted to get my size, bro. I don't really buy sneakers for resale, but I had to get these. This is the pair for the personal. Honestly, fire ass pair of sneakers. You guys already saw it, so I won't speak about it again, obviously. honestly. This sneaker is gonna go up in the future. I can almost guarantee that, bro. These are gonna hit the 300 easy. We got 3 more packages to show you guys, then I'm straight up out the building. I'm gonna start with this package, and here we do have a skate deck. We didn't get any extra stickers with this one, but this is the Supreme Chrome logo skate deck. I feel like this skate deck is so fire, bro. I honestly am debating on replacing that one up there, but at this point I do have like 5 or 6 Supreme skate decks, which I feel like will look fire once I get my own place and I put them all side by side. Shit is gonna look ridiculous, but this is the Supreme Chrome logo skate deck. Fire ass skateboard, honestly. At a certain point in my life, I am gonna put some wheels on these bitches and just reminisce and ride again, but these are fire. This is definitely a fire ass design, and I'm glad I got it in the black color because it looks crazy in this color, to be honest. Now we got 2 more pieces to go over, and then we'll get straight up out the building. One of them being a pair of Gucci's. We got the Gucci right there. This is something that I don't typically buy, but I've had these sitting in the corner for a minute now, and I never really spoke about it. These do come with the little dust bags, obviously. I got these from Essence, and if you guys want, I will do a full review because they typically fake Gucci slides, and I'm not trying to get y'all scammed out here, but these are the Gucci dust bags. Put those to the side, pop this flap open, pop this flap open. Gucci slides on deck. These are definitely a fire pair of slides, almost an essential in my opinion. I feel like you can't go wrong with some designer slides, and that's exactly why I decided to go for these right here. These are the black Gucci's. I think these are called the rubber GG slides or some shit like that. I honestly don't really know, but I got these from Essence for like $200 or something similar to that price. These are a great pair of slides to wear with anything. That's why I got them in the black color. They don't scream Gucci, like they don't have the stripes. I honestly don't like those. These are like a subtle flex, you feel me? If you see me walking in these, you already know what time it is. Fire ass pair of Gucci slides. I might do a full review on these and talk about sizing, because honestly sizing is a little bit weird on these shits. I had to return my first pair and get a bigger pair because they do run small in a way, but I will do a full review on these coming real shortly. Fire ass pair of slides though, nonetheless. Shout out to the Gucci's. We got one more piece to talk about, and it is this Murakami box logo right here, the controversial BOGO. I did do a full review on this piece. If you guys are trying to check it out, I'm gonna put a card right here for the full review and legit check, but I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. You got the Murakami box logo right there, dead and center on the front of it. The fact that they collabed with Murakami to do the relief tee is honestly insane, and probably one of the reasons why this is gonna go up so much in the future. It's honestly kind of nuts. But on the back of this one, it does have the Murakami flower with the skull. Then it does say Ovid Relief Fund right there on the back. Definitely a fire piece. I just honestly don't know if any cotton tee is worth $600+. It doesn't make sense to me, but I made my video on it. Shout out to Marco for hooking it up with this right here. This is gonna hit the 1,000. I could definitely promise you that. It's just almost mandatory, bro. Fire ass piece nonetheless. I just can't see myself keeping it for the price that it's worth, and I'm honestly kind of glad that it's not my size, because that way I will definitely sell it. But that pretty much does it for this unboxing. This was a long ass video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you get this to 200+ likes, and I will go ahead and do a part 2 with more packages. I have over 10 more packages to open for you guys, so make sure you stay tuned because that will happen real soon if you guys go ahead and make this video hit 200+ likes. Now without any further ado, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.